Dental gold. What is it? Hi, this is Asher with Quality Coin and Gold in Palm Harbor, Florida, and we're going to give you some examples of how we test dental gold to determine what the carat is. So, laid out in front of me, we have a few different pieces of dental gold, which we do buy. When people bring it in, the way that we test it to see if it is gold and what carat of gold it is we use the XRF Spectrometer. So I'm going to give you some examples. So we're going to use our first piece. We're going to put it in the XRF machine. We're going to use the camera to make sure that we're getting a very good view of it. Okay. We're going to scan it. So this comes back as 18 karat dental gold. Okay, so this does pass the test. It is 18 karat, or close enough, 73% gold, 18 karat. Okay, so that's the first piece. The second piece we're going to put in there has a little bit different hue. The color's slightly different. So let's see what this ends up as. Now, interesting, okay, there's no gold in this piece. However, it does have 72% silver and is 24% palladium. Very interesting. So it doesn't have any gold value. It does have some palladium value. You never know what you're going to find with dental gold. So let's test another piece. Here's a little smaller piece. Put it in there, center it nicely. I'm going to use the camera to make sure we're getting a good section of it. There we go. Scan it. Okay, this is also coming back as 18 karat, 75%ish gold. Okay, perfect. So we have two pieces of 18 and then one piece with a little bit of palladium in it. Now there's one more piece that we're going to test. However, I want to talk about this. Once in a while, people do bring in dental gold with the tooth root still in it. You do not have to remove the root. We will remove and clean up the material so it can test good. So, but what we're going to do is we're going to leave the root in there. We're just going to set it straight up. We're just not going to test the root. It won't affect it. Now let's see what this piece is made of. Okay, this is also testing as 18 karat. So that worked out pretty good. So we have a few pieces of 18 karat and one piece with a little bit of palladium in it. So if you have some dental gold that you want to sell, feel free to give us a call at 727-264-1310 or stop by our retail store located at 1312 Palm Harbor Boulevard, Palm Harbor, Florida. Thanks a lot.